Opening day on the Lower Gauley 2000 put in for the Lower Gauley.
That way if you fall.
It wasn't easy, but not many when I was young. It's not my problem. It's not my problem.
Princess Flume. Here comes Joanne. Lower Mountain, Lower Lake. Boat coming in first. Comes Joe Novotny's boat. Staircase on the Lower Galley. Galley River Adventures.
Stop us now. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now. Since the prehistoric ages and the days of ancient Greece, walked down through the Middle Ages, planet Earth kept going through changes, and then the Renaissance came, and times continue to change. Nothing stayed the same, but there were always renegades like Chief Sitting Bull, Tom Paine, Dr. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X. They were renegades of their time and age. Somebody renegades.
Riverman Bugs there.
We're the renegades of funk. From a different solar system, many, many galaxies away. We are the force of another creation, a new musical revelation. And we're on this musical mission to help the others listen. And grew from land to land, singing electronic chants like Zulu Nation, Revelations, destroy our nations, destroy our nations. Now renegades are the people with their own philosophies. They change the course of history. Everyday people like you and me. We're the renegades, we're the people with our own philosophies. We change the course of history. Everyday people like you and me. Come on. We're the renegades of funk. 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 We're poppin' sugar, rockin', put aside the hip hop, 'cause when we're going, there ain't no stopping. Poppin' sugar, rockin', put aside the hip hop, 'cause when we're going, there ain't no stopping. Poppin' and shockin' and rockin' and putting aside the hip hop, 'cause we're poppin' sugar, rockin', put aside the hip hop. Poppin' sugar, rockin', put aside the hip hop. We're the renegades of funk. 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 We future shock the funk and energy popping, messing with the force and the sound of electronics, the bass, the treble, the horns, and our vocals. 'Cause every time we're popping to the beat, we get fresh.
Alright, into the Galley trip. Everybody returning from a safe trip. Customer, this is a birthday boy. They're going to do the upper galley tomorrow.